हांगा सांबा स्क्वेअर चालू आसा कार्नावालाचो. सांबा स्क्वेअर आनी कार्नावाल केलो म्हणून लोकांक कांय प्रॉब्लम ना आनी आमच्या सारक्या लोकांक तर कांयच प्रॉब्लम ना बिकॉज द कार्नावाल मीन्स एन इव्हेंट वीच हॅज टू बी सेलिब्रेटेड. बट while celebrating this event, the entry which goes to the offices, which goes to the residents of a building should not be blocked. But if you see here, the total entry has been blocked. The exit has been blocked. We cannot go to our offices. We cannot come down from our offices. Our people are here standing on the road, waiting to go in the office. We have work. We have cases tomorrow. And all these things are getting hampered. So, when CCP has given the permission, it was the responsibility of CCP to at least ensure that the entry and exit of the building is not blocked, which they have blocked, so that people are getting inconvenience. And this thing should not happen, and CCP should take note of this and take enough precaution so that entry and exit is not blocked.
इवन फुटपाथ तुमची एक्चुअली आसा थंयसर ती ब्लॉक केला दिसता.
म्हाका दिसता फुटपाथूय तांच्यांनी ब्लॉक केल्या फ्रॉम दीस एंट्री पॉयंट एंड ऑल्सो फ्रॉम द चर्च साइड दॅट एंट्री पॉयंट. that is the issue which CCP has to also take into. But our concern as a office going people who are residing in this building, there is a problem of entry and exit. Because the security is blocking our entry, my people here are standing, they are not allowed to go on the top. So what is this happening? They say that they are not aware of anything. CCP has given them permission and they are telling us you go and ask the CCP. So this is the evasive answers they are giving. नहीं, आमचो simple कार्नावाल करप or कार्नावाल सांबा स्क्वेरान arrange करप, we have no problem. We are making it very clear. We are for the carnival. People has to enjoy. People has to, do whatever they want to like. But not at the cost of the office-going people whose entry is blocked, whose exit is blocked. My people are standing outside. What is this? The CCP has not taken care of this aspect while giving the permission. You cannot block the entry and exit. That's my point.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.